Hello and welcome to 193 Gannons Road here in CARINGBAH South, an oversized 6-bedroom home, and it is packed full of surprises.
Walking into the main living level, you've got this beautifully renovated kitchen, which opens to this oversized living space. Best part is, it looks out to the pool and the rear yard.
Perfect for kids of all ages, this ultimate family home ticks all of the boxes. You've got great visibility of the pool from the kitchen and the lounge, and a beautiful outdoor entertaining area fit to host any family event.
I love the resort style feel here in the backyard. When we were talking about this property being suitable for dual families, I wasn't talking about the cubby house. Hey Mom.
Positioned in a quiet, family-friendly area, you can stroll across the road to have a game of tennis or access the port hacking waterways via the Burraneer Bay marina.